driving around in Calaba, San Isidro, in my pick-up Greenhorn. So I'm on the way to the highway. I fix a thing somewhere around there. So Pang, you want to go walwal with me? Okay. The highway is simple na. Layo ng highway dito, oh. Ayan pa, oh. Oh, tagal pa. Ang layo. Galing ako sa Purok 9. Naayos ko yung natid ko yung ano ng lupa. Yung sa tax declaration at saka yung ano ito, certified copy.